hello, good to see you. My name is Kathy and welcome to my makeup journey. Today's video is all about the very valuable MAC Lipglass Kit Mini #1. And before we begin, if you're new to my channel, great to have you. If you like this video, don't forget a big thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button below in addition to the bell if you'd like to be notified of future videos. So let's jump on board and let's talk about this mini kit that I picked up. It is it's from MAC and it has 3 lip glosses. They're minis and they're 0.08 ounces each. And they feature the basic trademark of MAC's famed lip glass. And it's totally tote-able size. This is something you can put into any purse or any little, side, crossbody. But look at this. 3 of them. And especially if you want to dip into getting MAC and to see that line and to check out these mini lip glass kits, these are a real way to go. And there's 3 colors here. One's called Dilly Dazzle, Itsy Bitsy, and Rarin' to Go. So I'm going to try all 3 of them on so that way you can see them and we can talk about how it goes on and what goes on from there. The first up I have here is Dilly Dazzle. Here's the packaging right here. Cute as a bug. Look at that color. It even matches my nails. Look at that. Wasn't even planned, but we'll go with it. So anyways, let me put it on so that way you can take a peek and see how it goes on. This is a really bright, medium kind of purple. It's like kind of an orchid looking color. Look at that. A nice sponge applicator. And let me put it on for you. Ooh. Really nice. I like it. And it doesn't have a smell to it. Kind of very nice. And it doesn't feel too sticky or anything runny, but it's a nice gloss finish. Look at that. Really pretty. So let me take this off and let's go to the next color. So now I'm back and I'm going to talk about this really pretty next one. It's called Itsy Bitsy. And let's open it up. It has the same tip going on right there, a nice sponge applicator that is angled. So let's put it on and see how it works as well. This is Itsy Bitsy. It's a soft pink lavender pearl color. Really nice. I like it. Doesn't have a smell to it. And it doesn't feel runny. It doesn't feel greasy or anything like that. And it's not sticky. My lips are not just kind of hanging in there. It's really nice. I'm liking it. So let's try the next one and I'll be right back. Now we're to the 3rd one. This is called Rarin' to Go. And it is a bright fuchsia. Look at the size of this. Same as the other one. And we open it up. Has a nice sponge applicator. Really nice. And let's put it on and see how it works. Really nice. Look at that coloration. I'm liking it. I'm not putting on too much. I'm not dipping into the tube all the time. Doesn't have a smell. It doesn't have a weird taste. Thank goodness. I hate when that happens. But this is really nice. Let's do some swatches on the back of my hand and I'll show those to you. And then we'll talk about my final thoughts. Well, right back. I've gotten all the lip glass on the back of my hand so you can see the colors for you. And we can go again here. This one is Dilly Dazzle. Itsy Bitsy is in the middle, and the last one is Rarin' to Go. and I think they're really nice. They're really lively and they're brilliant colors, and they're very pigmented, except for this soft pink, which is meant to be very soft and a pearlescent kind of a look. There's more colors in the lip glass wardrobe, but this is a good start. And the gloss finish is not sticky or runny, and it smells quite nice. It doesn't smell anything of, that's really overpowering, and I think that would be good to apply over other colors that you have, or even other lipsticks, and just to a little dazzle to it. Overall, I'm really impressed with this, and especially at the price point that I got it at, and you can get it at Ulta. So I leave the information below, and if you like this video, don't forget to do a big thumbs up, and I'll talk to you soon. See you next time.